welcome everybody. I am Audrey De Silva and let me welcome you all here at Breeze News. Today we have a superstar from the Telugu cinema who has done more than 150 movies in Telugu cinema. So without any further ado, let me invite Mr. Shravan Raghavendra to be here with us.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
So you've told me that you've done a lot of villain character.
Yeah.
But you look like a hero. You are a hero. How does it feel to be a villain in, you don't look like a villain personality in real. You look like a very subtle, nice, calm personality, and then to act like a villain. So it's a very different character to portray. How does it feel to be a villain on screen?
Yeah. I was there in film industry from last 22, 23 years. So before last 15 years back, the villains, what was the general psychology is like villain should look brave and doesn't look good. Whoever come in the climax, fight and all will be the villain for sure. But nowadays all the villains look handsome and they are better than heroes. Yeah,
agree.
they're better than heroes. So the same way I'm maintaining my look and all.
I think I absolutely agree because villains, from a girl's perspective, we always find the villains more attractive compared to, the actor. And actors are always these boys next door. And you do have a very fascinating personality. And,
Thank you.
Tell me more about your films. What's the next project that you're doing now?
I'm an pan-Indian actor. I do all languages. And my 3 Kannada films are going on now. And 2 Telugu films and one in Bollywood too.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So could you talk about it to us? Could you give us a little gist if you're not comfortable?
No, I'm fine. So I'm doing a film with Mahesh Babu is one of the superstars of Telugu film industry. So I'm doing with his niece. So he's getting introduced as hero. I'm doing as a bad guy in the film. I'm in main negative role. And I'm doing a film in Bollywood with Shreyas Talpade. He was one of the well-known actors.
Yeah, of course.
He's on many movies. And I'm doing a film with Gopi Chand. Till yesterday I was fighting with him.
Oh wow, that is amazing to know. So I'm pretty excited to see you in Bollywood. So tell me, being an actor from the Telugu industry, because that is your predominantly and more dominant, language or more dominant cinema side. But is it difficult to ever move from, one language to another language and then to be Bollywood, Hindi?
Yeah, definitely. A language barrier will be there for every actor. So if you get any proper professional actor also, you can't do in other languages. That's very difficult. For us, we need to understand the scene, and because with our experience, that experience makes man perfect. That happens in film.
I totally agree, and that's the only reason you are the superstar of the South cinema and now in Bollywood, because I don't think anyone, like you said, experience matters, and I don't think someone who's new can try to achieve the language barrier. So you have been experienced and you're doing it for so long. So it was so good to see you and talk to you and have a great conversation with you. Do you want to give our viewers some tips, or do you want to tell them something, share like a nice knowledge or advice to them?
Knowledge. Thank you so much for being here in Sri Lanka, and I keep coming over here. Thank you so much for the time, and all the best to everyone.
And one place they can visit in Sri Lanka?
One place they can visit
in Sri Lanka, that's your favorite. Or one cuisine
Sri Lankan, what we had in the morning, some dessert I had with coconut. That was very good. I don't know the proper name of it. They made it with coconut. It was very good. I loved it.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much for being here with us, and hope to see you soon in Sri Lanka. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you back again at Breeze News.